Upgrading your garage door opener can significantly improve your home's security, convenience, and connectivity. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 garage door openers on Amazon that offer the perfect balance of smart features, reliability, and value. Let's start with the Chamberlain B6753T Smart Garage Door Opener, a premium option packed with advanced features. One of the biggest highlights is its built-in security camera that streams live video directly to your smartphone using the EMIQ app. This adds an extra layer of security, letting you monitor your garage remotely. It also includes integrated corner-to-corner LED lighting, which illuminates the entire garage with 2,000 lumens of brightness. The ultra-quiet belt drive system ensures minimal noise, perfect for garages attached to living spaces. If you're looking for a garage door opener that does more than just open and close the door, the Chamberlain B6753T is a complete smart solution. Next up is the Genie StealthDrive Connect Model 7155TKV, which combines muscle, smart tech, and backup power. It comes with a powerful 1.25 horsepower CDC motor and a steel-reinforced belt drive, making it both strong and whisper quiet. One of its standout features is the built-in battery backup, allowing the door to operate even during power outages, a crucial feature for emergency preparedness. The opener is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, and it works with the Aladdin Connect app, providing remote control, scheduling, and real-time alerts. For homeowners seeking a dependable, voice-activated, and backup-ready garage solution, the Genie 7155-TKV is a strong contender. If you're tight on overhead space or just want a cleaner, more modern look, the LiftMaster 8500W wall mount garage door opener might be your best bet. Unlike traditional ceiling-mounted units, this opener mounts to the wall beside your garage door, freeing up ceiling space for storage or overhead lighting. Despite its compact design, it packs a punch with a powerful motor and built-in battery backup. It features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing seamless control through the EMIQ app. It also supports Amazon Key in Garage delivery, meaning your packages can be securely delivered inside your garage. Ideal for garages with high ceilings or custom designs, the LiftMaster 8500W offers a space-saving yet high-tech solution. The Chamberlain B2405 Quiet Wi-Fi Garage Door Opener is a great mid-range option that blends essential smart features with high reliability. Like other Chamberlain models, it uses a smooth and ultra-quiet belt drive, ideal for homes where noise might be an issue. This model connects easily to your smartphone via built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and works with the EMIQ app for control, alerts, and scheduling. It doesn't come with advanced extras like a built-in camera or LED lighting, but it nails the basics with consistency and a fair price. If you're looking for a dependable, smart-enabled opener without going over budget, the B2405 is an excellent choice. Finally, for those who already have a functioning opener and simply want to add smart features, the Meross Smart Wi-Fi Garage Door Opener offers the perfect retrofit solution. This device connects to most existing garage door openers and brings smart functionality into the mix. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, it enables voice control, scheduling, and remote access via the Meross app. Installation is simple and requires minimal tools, making it a great DIY upgrade. If you're happy with your current opener but want remote control and smart features without replacing the whole unit, Meross delivers tremendous value. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the product links in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trusted product reviews and smart home recommendations.